Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have a turbo BMW and want controlled turbo flutter. Start by confirming the stock diverter or recirculation valve type and gather basic tools. First, relieve boost pressure safely, idle the car until cooled, then loosen the intake hose clamp and remove the intake boot. Once done, inspect the valve for a one-way flap versus a recirc piston. This matters because flutter comes from a springy, fast-closing mechanism. Make sure to wear gloves and protect sensors while you work. This step sets the foundation for the sound and reliability. Once the stock valve is exposed, remove electrical connectors and unbolt the unit, noting orientation and vacuum routing. If you choose an aftermarket flutter valve, compare diaphragm and spring rate. A stiffer spring or a one-way flap produces the rapid flutter. Alternatively, a controlled spring swap or shim can speed closure. Do this incrementally to avoid compressor surge. After adjusting or replacing, reinstall the valve, torque bolts to BMW spec, and reconnect all hoses. Test at low RPM first to confirm proper operation before higher boost runs. Final steps. Start the engine and perform a cautious road test in a safe area. Apply gradual throttle and listen for consistent, repeatable flutter sounds under part throttle lift. If the flutter is weak or inconsistent, fine-tune spring tension or verify all vacuum and boost hoses for leaks. Should you encounter rough idle, check engine lights, or drivability loss, revert to the stock diverter and clear fault codes. This prevents damage to the turbo. One key troubleshooting tip. If compressor surge or overstress occurs, stop and restore factory parts immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.